Future of Programmatic Advertising and Real-Time Bidding Strategies in 2024. Step 1. Understanding programmatic advertising. Programmatic advertising is a type of digital advertising that uses automated processes to buy and sell ad inventory. It's also known as programmatic buying or programmatic media buying. Step 2. Real-time bidding, RTB. RTB is a type of programmatic where multiple advertisers bid on individual impressions in real time, allowing for more efficient and targeted ad delivery. Step 3. Key players in programmatic advertising, supply-side platforms, SSPs. Connect publishers to buyers and manage ad inventory. Demand-side platforms allow advertisers to manage their ad buying and bidding. Ad exchanges facilitate the exchange of inventory between SSPs and DSPs. Ad servers manage the serving and tracking of ads. Step 4. Benefits of programmatic advertising. Increased efficiency and scalability, better targeting and personalization, improved ad yield and ROI, real-time data analysis and optimization. Step 5. Types of programmatic advertising. Open RTB, open auction. Private RTB, private auction. Preferred deals, fixed price auction. Programmatic direct, fixed price auction. Step 6. Key metrics for programmatic advertising. Fill rate, percentage of available impressions sold. CTR, click-through rate, measure of ad engagement. Conversion rate, measure of ad effectiveness. CPA, cost per action, measure of ad ROI. Step 7. How to set up a programmatic campaign. Target audience and goals. Choose your DSP or SSP. Set up your ad creative and targeting. Set your budget and bidding strategy. Launch and monitor your campaign. Step 8. Understanding ad formats for programmatic advertising. Display ads, video ads, mobile ads, native ads, audio ads. Step 9. Advanced programmatic strategies. Lookalike targeting, retargeting, contextual targeting, behavioral targeting, data-driven targeting. Step 10. Tips for optimizing programmatic campaigns. Monitor and adjust your bidding strategy. Test different ad formats and targeting options. Use data analytics to optimize campaign performance. Use lookalike targeting to expand your audience. Utilize retargeting to re-engage existing users. Step 11. Common challenges in programmatic advertising. Ad fraud, ad blocking, limited inventory availability, complexity in setting up campaigns, difficulty in measuring campaign performance. Step 12. Addressing ad fraud in programmatic advertising. Verify your inventory through third-party vendors. Monitor your ad traffic through analytics tools. Use fraud detection tools to identify suspicious activity. Collaborate with your supply-side partners to prevent fraud. Step 13. Understanding the role of artificial intelligence, AI, in programmatic advertising. AI-powered targeting and optimization. AI-driven creative optimization. AI-assisted campaign planning and execution. Step 14. The future of programmatic advertising in 2024. Increased adoption of AI-powered programmatic strategies. Further emphasis on transparency, accountability, and measurement. Growing importance of mobile-first programmatic campaigns. Increased focus on data-driven decision-making. Step 15. Conclusion. Programmatic advertising is a rapidly evolving field, and understanding the future of programmatic advertising and real-time bidding strategies is crucial for success in the industry. By following these steps, beginners can gain a comprehensive understanding of programmatic advertising and be better equipped to navigate the ever-changing landscape of digital advertising. Remember to stay up to date with industry trends, best practices, and new technologies to maximize your success in programmatic advertising.